Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the Mendel's laws of inheritance from chapter 5. Through this video, students, you will be able to appreciate and recognize the work of Mendel, be acquainted with the reasons for selection of pea plant, study the pattern of inheritance of one gene, and be well versed with the laws of inheritance as given by Mendel. Gregor John Mendel, known as father of modern genetics, was born in Austria in 1822. Mendel discovered the basic principles of heredity through experiments in his monastery's garden. His experiments showed that the inheritance of certain traits in pea plants follows particular patterns, subsequently becoming the foundation of modern genetics and leading to the study of heredity. During Mendel's investigations into inheritance patterns, it was for the first time that statistical analysis and mathematical logic were applied to problems in biology. His experiments had a large sampling size, which gave greater credibility to the data that he collected. Also, the confirmation of his inferences from experiments on successive generations of his test plants proved that his results pointed to general rules of inheritance rather than being unsubstantiated ideas. So children, now the question here arises that why did Mendel select pea plant? There were many reasons for that. The first and the foremost reason was that there were the availability of pure variety or the pure breeding line of pea plants. It was very easy to cultivate. The plant had a very short lifespan and it produced bisexual flowers. Normally, the plant is self-pollinated, but cross-pollination can be induced very easily manually. The plant had pair of contrasting traits and it is able to produce large number of progeny. Okay, so now let's see the pair of contrasting traits which were studied by Mendel. The first one was stem height, which was tall and dwarf, then seed shape, which was round and wrinkled, seed color, which was yellow and green, seed coat color, which was green and white, pod shape, which was inflated and constricted, pod color, green and yellow, and flower position, which was axial and terminal. Children, Mendel performed several hybridization experiments, but initially he performed the hybridization wherein he studied the pattern of inheritance of only one gene at a time, which is also known as a monohybrid cross. So a monohybrid cross is a cross between two parents differing in only one pair of contrasting characters. So herein he studied only one character at a time. So now here in this slide you can see the diagrammatic representation of a monohybrid cross, wherein the Mendel has crossed a tall and a dwarf pea plant to study the inheritance of one gene. He collected the seeds produced as a result of this cross and grew them to generate plants of the first hybrid generation, which is known as first filial generation or F1 progeny. And Mendel observed that all the F1 progeny plants were tall like one of its parents and none of them were dwarf. Then he made similar observations for the other pair of traits and he found that the F1 always resembled either one of the parents and that the trait of the other parent was not seen in them. Mendel then thought of self-pollinating the tall F1 plants, and to his surprise he found that in the second filial generation some of the offsprings were dwarf. The character that was not seen in F1 generation was now expressed. The proportion of plants that were dwarf were 1/4 of the F2 plants, while 3/4 of the F2 plants were tall. The tall and dwarf traits were identical to their parental type and did not show any blending. That is, all the offsprings were either tall or dwarf. None were of in-between height. Similar results were obtained with the other traits that he studied. Only one of the parental traits was expressed in the F1 generation, while in the F2 stage both the traits were expressed in the proportion 3:1. The contrasting traits did not show any blending at either F1 or F2 stage. The genotypic ratio was 1:2:1 and phenotypic was 3:1. Based on these observations, Mendel proposed that something was being stably passed down unchanged from parent to offspring through the gametes over successive generations, and he called these things as factors, and he proposed the laws of inheritance. He proposed two laws of inheritance after studying the monohybrid cross. First one was law of dominance, wherein he explained that characters are controlled by discrete units called factors. These factors occur in pairs, and in a dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominates the other. The second law deduced by him was law of segregation, wherein he explained that when the gametes are formed by the process of meiosis, the alleles of the parental pair separate or segregate from each other, and only one allele is transmitted to a gamete. So I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you so very much, children.